LinkedIn is not just another social media platform. It's a hub for professionals, business decision makers, and various industries. And you can target these people or companies with pinpoint accuracy on LinkedIn. I'm Canberk Beker. I'll be your instructor for this course. So far, I have managed more than 50 client accounts on LinkedIn, overseeing monthly budgets ranging from $300 to millions of dollars. During this journey, I have learned one or two things, and I'll do my best to share everything I know. Each course builds on the last, so you can go from LinkedIn as beginner to professional. This course is designed specifically for B2B marketers who want to learn LinkedIn from scratch or aim to maximize their return on investment from their current campaigns. You will learn what kinds of audiences you can target on LinkedIn, from contact level to company level targeting, and we will discuss the exclusions. We are diving deep into all the different ad formats LinkedIn has to offer and break down the pros and cons, best practices, and example of great ads. You will discover how to create LinkedIn campaigns from scratch, covering everything from budgets to successful launch. There are so many data points on LinkedIn, and if you don't know what to look for and when to look for it, you will not only be overwhelmed, but also might end up analyzing the wrong data. Learning test is a constantly evolving process, and you need to be able to pivot your approach to get more efficient all the time.